Welcome to this session of the course. Today we are going to look at AI aggregators and discovery. So what are AI aggregators? These are tools that are like the search engine of AI. So because if you want to start any AI project or you want to get into to learn more about AI, you need to understand where to get them, the latest ones. Even though you can use the basic AI tools like ChatGPT to find out most of them, but then there's a place that you can get them. And today that's what I'm going to talk about. And this is very important because if you want to create a project, you need to know where to get the latest ones. But then talk about consumption. It's not only about consumption, but once you also create your own AI projects, you need to put them there for people to discover them because people go there and make that a search engine. So let's go straight to some of them and I'll talk about them. So the first one you see is there's an AI for that. This is an AI project that aggregator that you get to see a lot of tools there, latest projects and all those stuff. We also have Futurepedia. Futurepedia is also another tool that I go to check Futurepedia almost every day to see what are the new projects. Product Hunt is also another AI aggregator. AI Hub is also another one. So let's go and let's see how they work in real life because this is theory and practicals. You need to see the reality of how these things work. You just don't need to see. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to use ChatGPT or Gemini. Let me use Gemini. I'm just going to use Gemini even though I use ChatGPT to do the same research. And I'm just going to say find websites. Find the website for the following AI aggregators. Then I'll just I'll paste them here. Let's see what it brings. Sometimes it will give you the exact website. Sometimes it's gonna give you different things. So let's see. So there's an AI for that. The first one, let's see what it tells us. So I'm just going to go there. And this is it. There's an AI for that. So when you come here, you can sign up or register for alerts. But I don't register. So you can see latest AI projects. So these are just AI tools that have been released. 3 hours ago, they did Tenkri. It's a new AI project. Vedant AI. That was like 4 hours ago. Video transcriber AI. So these are your colleagues, people like you who are also releasing AI projects, designing AI projects just to be able to monetize. Yeah. So these are Mohamed Lashwell. What type of AI project is that? Keyword grade. So these are latest. So when you come here, they're also going to give you AI tools that are just common to you. But you can also use this to search, you see, for personal, for work, for creativity, deals. But then you can also go to trending and see what are the trending AI tools. So Polychart, Unleash AI's powerful and intuitive, cool coloring pages. So this is a AI for coloring pages. Wow. So maybe if you want one, you just click on it. It's going to tell you more about that. And you see, wow, I like this. I like this. So it's going to tell you more about that. And you can just go onto their website. Maybe let's say use tool. And see, it's going to go straight to your website and you start creating. So these are people who are doing innovative things in the field of AI. And that is the purpose of this thing. So let's check another one, Futurepedia, then we move out of here. So this is the Futurepedia, which is also an AI discovery tool where you get latest AI projects and stuff. So you can see this is a Futurepedia. And when you come down, they showcase popular AI tools, Chat, GPT, Cloud, Midjourney, and here you see latest one, recently added. These are recently added AI tools that you get to see. But the beauty of this is that you can search the AI tools in different categories. So let's see this AI tools. If you click on AI tools, it gives you AI productivity tools, and these are in different categories. So you see prompt generators, writing generators, AI image tools, designer generators, AI art generators, AI audio generators, if you want to create codes. So you can click on that. If you want to see more, just do show all. And once you click on show all, It's going to give you all the tools in that category. Amazing Sage, Aki, Browser AI, Blaze, SQL. So based on what you want, there are a lot of them here. So that is it for the AI aggregators. Understand them, use them, and also if you want to promote your AI projects, find ways that you can make them appear here. Thank you very much. See you in the next session.